Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are here, I believe you want to know how to create a system image backup for your computer. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, this process is applicable to Windows 11 and earlier Windows as well. To do this, now let's go to our control panel. Now click on the control panel app. Okay, in case yours is like this, when you want to, from the view by, you go to the category, click on the category, and then you come over to system and security and click on it. Now let's scroll down and look for file history. Then click on it. The next step is to click on search for system image backup. Then we'll click on it. Okay, on the left side, let's look for create a system image. We'll click on it. And below, you can see what a system image is all about as a definition is being given. So here it says a system image is a copy of drives required for Windows to run. It can also include additional drives. A system image can be used to restore your computer if the hard drive or computer ever stops working. However, you can't choose individual items to restore. So below here, you have to actually indicate where you want to have it installed. So here on a hard drive, it means if you want to have it installed on your hard disk. Here you can also have it installed on your network as well, or you can do a DVD, then select next. So here you confirm what drive you want to have backed up. As you can see, it's on the C drive, which is the main primary on our computer. So we click on start backup. So here it will save on the location where you want it installed. Sorry, my drive isn't big enough. So you need to have something bigger than 1 GB. So that's it. I just want to give you a demonstration of what it looks like. So that's pretty much it. So if you want to do a recovery from your computer, all you need to do is to choose the recovery option. Once you have accessed the recovery options, you will typically have the choice between a system restore or a system reset. A system restore will roll back your computer to a previous point in time when it was functioning properly. A system reset will erase everything on your computer and reinstall the operating system. Follow on-screen instructions. Once you have chosen the recovery options, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This may take some time depending on the size of your hard drive or the speed of your computer. Reinstall your programs after the recovery process is complete. So that's it. So that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit this notification bell to stay updated. Thank you. Bye for now.